Hey, what's up, guys, man? It's 10:50 at night. About to head to this is a construction site that should be blocked off. They got machinery going on, putting out so much carbon monoxide, I can feel it, man. So, I'm just heading home, just passing on through, heading in, and getting some sleep. So, it smells so fucking bad here. You can hear it. It's a pump, and it's not pumping water out. It's a generator on that's putting out so much carbon monoxide, you can, hey man, it's suffocating. Look like it's over here, or right over here. It's one over here, it's somewhere over here, or behind here. Yeah, it's right here. It's right here. There's another one going on somewhere around here, but this one that's it right here. And it's not lighting up nothing, man.